Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Samsung GT S5517i mic problem with water damage. Mostly when it exposed to water damage, mostly the board circuit have a problem, and when you try to record something with the mic and it have a raining sound, we will check it now. It would be too slow because it have a small memory on this model, but it is Android application. Go to voice recorder. Okay, no memory card. Okay, I will put a memory card and we will check it. Pause here, actually. Pause.
I will pause it.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now I put a memory card. It needs some minute to load the memory card. Okay, now there you go. I will check something. I will try to record something and we will see the sound output. Hello, hello. Check mic 1 2 3 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3 and there it goes. As you hear, this have a kind of raining sound. So the first thing you need to do is disassemble this thing, and you will start by unplugging the battery and pull out all the screwdrivers here. 1 2 and 1 2 3 and 4. Only you have to pull out the true screwdrivers and use a tiny blade to open this shut. So here is the mic card. You can see it have integrated mic with a 4 leg. So before you clean this shit, so you have to disassemble it well. Only pull out the logic board. And there it goes. When you put it into the chemical, it may damage the camera and the mic. So you have to pull out the camera and the mic. So I have to use a air gun in order to remove the mic, and I will use it like this in order to prevent the coil damage. I will rehold it with the back side, and there it goes. It came out, and I will put it here, and I will also take out the camera here. It may damage the lens when I put it into the chemical. And now I just finished my disassemble, so I have to put it into ultrasonic cleaner, and I use a lacquer thinner to clean the mess. And it is an old version of ultrasonic cleaner, and there is the chemical that you can see inside is a lacquer thinner. And I will put it like this, and I will touch the switch. Okay, I don't plug the socket. Here is the socket. And it will clean all the water damages, and it will clean all the messes. And after you finish the cleanup thing, you have to re-hot it again in order to prevent yeah. Yes,
After
Sim-
filming,